Hello, my name is John. I was born in a small town, far away from the busy streets and crowded cities. Growing up, I didn't know much about the world outside my home, but I was always curious. I had big dreams, just like every other child, but I also had questions. What is life really about? Why do we work so hard? What should I do to be happy? As a child, I didn't have the answers, and I didn't know I was even learning anything. But looking back now, after living through many years, I realized that life has always been teaching me something. It was a long journey filled with lessons about time, family, work, dreams, and health. Sometimes I made mistakes, but those mistakes taught me more than anything else. As I share my story with you, I want to tell you about what life has taught me, how I learned from it, and how these lessons can help you too. I want to show you that no matter where you are in life, whether you're a child, a young adult, or an older person, there is always something to learn. And sometimes, the best lessons come from the simplest moments. So, let me take you through my journey, from a curious child to an old man who has seen so much. I hope that as you listen to my story, you will find something valuable that will help you in your own life. When I was a child, the world seemed so big and full of possibilities. Every day felt like an adventure, and I looked at everything with wonder. I remember my first lesson, though I didn't realize it at the time. Life told me, time is precious, but when you're young, time feels endless. I wasted hours doing things that didn't matter, without understanding how valuable time truly is. I would tell my younger self, don't waste time, for you can never get it back. As I grew older, I learned about family. My parents, like many, worked hard to provide for us. They gave me love, but also taught me discipline, responsibility, and respect. I saw how their love for each other and their commitment to our family held us all together. The lesson I learned from them is this: family is the foundation of life. Take care of your loved ones, and never take them for granted. Always show your love, because in the end, it's family that will stand by you when the world feels dark. Then came my first job. I was excited and nervous at the same time. I learned that work is not just about earning money, but about finding purpose. Every job, no matter how small, taught me something valuable. I realized that when you love what you do, work doesn't feel like work. The lesson here: find a job that brings you joy. It's not just about a paycheck. It's about making a difference, feeling fulfilled, and growing every day. I also learned a lot about dreams. I had big dreams as a young person. Some dreams came true, others didn't, but even the dreams that didn't happen taught me something. I learned that life doesn't always go the way we expect, but that doesn't mean it's over. Chase your dreams, but also be flexible, life told me. It's important to have goals, but it's equally important to be open to new paths. Sometimes the road less traveled brings you to the place you were meant to be all along. As I grew older, I started to see the importance of balance. Life is not just about family, work, or dreams. It's about taking care of yourself. I spent so much time focused on others, on my job, on my dreams, that I forgot to take care of my own well-being. But life, in its gentle way, reminded me, your health is your true wealth. I learned that without health, nothing else matters. Take time for yourself, rest when you need to, and don't let stress take over. Now, as an old man, I look back on my life and see a story full of learning and growth. There were good times, and there were bad times. But in every moment, life was teaching me something. Life told me to value time, family, work, and health. Most importantly, life taught me that it's never too late to learn, never too late to change, and never too late to follow your dreams. So to all of you, young or old, I say this: time is the most precious thing you have. Use it wisely. Value your family, because they are the ones who will always be there for you. Work hard, but also find joy in what you do. Chase your dreams, but be open to change, because life has a way of surprising you. And always, always take care of yourself. Life is a journey, and we are always learning along the way. Take these lessons to heart, and let them guide you as you write your own story. Time will pass, but the lessons we learn from life will stay with us forever. If you enjoyed my story and the lessons I've shared, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more, and let's continue learning together.